Hello guys, my name is Kwame. Friends call me Timmy K8. I want to show you how you can make money as a student. Now you and I know that before you can make money, you have to be somebody who solves problems. Now you realize that students on campus don't usually like to leave campus to go out there and buy stuff. You understand? Actually, not just students on campus. You know, millennials generally like to do things like that. They don't like to go out there and buy stuff. They are so glued to their cell phones that they want to do every transaction from their cell phone. So this is what you can do. As a student, you have to get yourself a website that sells stuff online. You can contact me on the numbers on your screen. I can create a website for you to sell your stuff online. Now, after having this one, you go out there and then be into some sort of partnership with people who can supply you goods that students will need on campus. Something like shoes, wristwatches, human hair, shirts, glasses, anything, perfumes, provisions, all stuff like that. You understand? So they supply you all these goods, you put them on your website. Students will click to buy from your website, you do your deliveries, and then you get your revenue from it. It's pretty much simple. But most of the times you don't know all these things because these things you never learn in school. Nobody's going to teach you all these things in the lecture halls. No. And so I need you to get yourself a website, and this is how you're going to do it. As you see the numbers on your screens, you just have to call me. I'm going to create a stunning e-commerce website for you to start selling your stuff. And that's not just the source of income. You can also do something we call affiliate marketing. Basically, you can just sign on to Walmart affiliate marketing program or Amazon affiliate marketing program. How does it work? When you sign on to one of these programs, they will give you links so that you put the links on your website. Anytime somebody clicks on the link to buy something from their website, they pay you a commission into your account. So it's pretty much easier to make money these days, but we don't know all this. We don't know how these things work. Now, when you mention a website to people think something very much extravagant. So they think that it's very much costly to get yourself a website. It's not. You just have to call me, contact me, let's talk. I'm gonna get you a website to start selling your stuff. It's pretty much easier. Now you can also be into partnership with all this local merchandise. It's like people who sell foods around. And then tell them that you're gonna put a link on your website. Anytime somebody orders food from your website, they will deliver and then they'll pay you commission. It makes perfect sense. Students naturally don't like stepping out of their hostels or stepping out of campus to go and buy stuff outside. So you have to be the dedicated marketplace to serve them with the things that they need. Now you have to hook your website to the campus, something like Central Market or something like Legon Market or Central University Marketplace as a website name or as a URL name. So they can relate to it, and then you know that this is actually dedicated to serving on campus. So it's pretty much easier to make money online these days, but people don't know all these things. So now you have the trick. You just have to call me. I'm going to get you a very stunning website, basically very much easier to manage, so that you can start selling your stuff online and then do business online. It's going to transform you. It's going to change your life forever. After school, you may not need to get yourself a job because this is going to be sustainable enough to take care of you for the rest of your life. So you just have to call me, contact me on the numbers on your screen, and I'm going to help you out, get yourself a new business.